Blessed afternoon, everyone.
This is Zilla, iguana.
Is that a Jamaican iguana?
No, this is a red iguana, not a Jamaican iguana. Nice pet, very loving.
This young lady standing here is no ordinary young lady.
Oh,
She is the national champion female youth farm.
I lie. The Hague Agricultural Show is back, guys. And I'm here to share the sights and sound with you. There's so much stuff happening. There's something for everybody. The old, the young, and the in-between. And there's flowers, there's plants, there's herb and herbal stuff. You know, there are craft items, food, raw and cooked food. There's something, all kind of stuff here. I'm gonna share the highlights with you right now. First though, I must remind you that I'm on a journey to showcase what I call the real Jamaica. These kind of stuff. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you now to join me. It's free. Just hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to the highlights. What is this?
This is called blue draws in Jamaica, but you can call it any color panty.
Oh, okay. It doesn't have to be blue.
Don't have to be blue.
Ah,
A tree name you have. Blue draws, Dukuno, Kayali.
Alright.
That's right. You want the cornmeal one?
Yeah, man.
Alright. You can't taste it?
Yeah, man.
And these side stuff them I have.
Cornmeal pudding, guys. Cornmeal pudding. No. Potato pudding.
Tastes nice, not
Yeah, man, it tastes nice. Look at them yams. Look at these yams, guys. Look at these yams. Man, these yams, are your yams, sir?
Yes, sir.
And bigger than you, man?
Yeah, man.
What you put in them?
Not at all.
So how them so big?
Nothing at all. We just dig the whole and put bush mulch tonight.
Where are you from?
Stony.
Stony?
Dark Stony area.
Okay. You grow them type of yam up here?
Yes,
Are you saying both sides here or different side?
Our style are red dirt style, backside style.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Alright, nice. Good work, man. Good work. Alright. Oh, these are renter yam.
No, these are white afu and Mozella.
Okay.
And yellow yam.
So this is the yellow yam?
Yeah.
This is the white afu?
Yes.
These big one?
Yes. One bang, that you know.
One bungle, one root.
One bang.
Oh, and this is the white afu?
That is the Mozella.
Mozella. Oh, this is the Mozella, guys. Mozella. Oh, alright, man. This is huge. Run into a virgin now. Who is this again?
Colonel.
Eh?
From Kinlass District.
What's the name?
Colonel.
Alright. King Lass.
Yeah.
The original yam man.
Yes,
Roast
yes.
yam man.
Yeah, man.
Well, I tell you, I eat piece of yam a while ago, guys. Bad like yours, man. True. And this yam is roast yam with what? Salt mackerel and
Rundown.
salt mackerel rundown.
Yeah, man.
Bad for true, man. Pick up yourself, man, boss.
Brawling, man.
Yeah,
Outside, you know.
Alright, yeah. Running to a patron here. Her name is
Devree.
Devree. How is it going?
It's going well. You
Yep.
know,
Yep.
anywhere in Jamaica
Yeah.
where you have local products,
Yeah.
that's the place to be.
Awesome. I agree. It's your first time here?
No.
Always here?
Yes.
Okay, you sound like you're a Trelawny person.
No, I'm not.
Well, you find these places, they find these events wherever they're happening.
Yes, wherever it's happening, as long as it's Jamaican,
What-
it's the place to be.
What is the highlight of the show of the event so far for you?
The highlight of the event will be the plants.
The plants, you love plants?
Yes, I
There's
do.
no coincidence I'm seeing you are near the plant area there. No coincidence, okay.
None at all.
Awesome, thank you, all the
Blessings.
best. Continue to enjoy. I like your style.
Yeah.
Ran into some beautiful ladies here, guys, from the, what, JS you said?
The Jamaica Forest Club.
Jamaica Forage Club. Jamaica Forage Club?
Yes.
So you're from where? Trelawny.
From Trelawny.
Trelawny, okay. And what are you, what's the goal here? What are you showcasing today?
Alright, so you know that this show is put on by the Jamaican Agricultural Society, which is our parent body. And we're here as a part of the network, as a part of the partnership, showcasing what youth in agriculture, what is it that we're doing, and what we're up to.
Oh, youth in agriculture.
Youth in agriculture, right, because you know that the Jamaica Forage Club is the youth arm of the district. And so therefore we are showcasing what we are up to in the forage club. How we can assist you from age 5 onward to 35. Yes, because that's the age cohort that we
And I see you have a nice youth here.
I must officially tell you that this young lady standing here is no ordinary young lady.
Oh,
She is the national champion female youth farmer.
I lie.
Yes,
I lie. My apologies. My apologies.
She is Chelisa Osborne, and let me tell you, her story runs deep because not only is she the national champion youth farmer, but she did what nobody or other persons have a fear of doing. She crossed the floor, and so she is a trained nurse. She's a trained nurse, but she chose to do agriculture.
Oh, beautiful.
And so we are forever grateful for her for doing what she is doing. Yes.
What's your name again?
Chelisa.
We're gonna search for you online, Chelisa.
Yes.
Please.
But guys, Devree aunt is Aunty Faye, and Aunty Faye just called me out. She said she know me, she follow me, she watch all of my video them, the guinea hen, the moringa, the tours, everything that I do. So I want to big up Aunty Faye. Big up Aunty Faye for me now, one of my followers. Aunty Faye, you need to comment more often on the videos, okay?
I will.
She called herself a silent follower, but we'll pick her up now. Alright, Aunty Faye, cool.
Thank you.
Alright, beautiful display here, guys, and this is Miss Fisher is in charge of this Perstone JS branch, right? That's like a community in Trelawny.
Yes, not too far from here, just opposite the Rockford village.
Alright, and what is you have all kind of stuff I realize here.
Yes, sir.
Pepper, fruits, vegetables.
Yes, sir.
What stand out? What is the highlight of your display today?
My natural coconut oil.
What is special about your natural coconut oil?
Because I use just rainwater, no salt.
Rainwater, no salt. Okay.
And it's good for just a spoonful in a teaspoon in the morning. And it like it cleanse your body, rub your hair, keep your skin clean and nice.
Oh, lovely. But you have all kind of stuff. You have the coconut with a nut, I see there.
The coconut oil with the nata, and then you have the coconut that to show them that they come from that.
Yeah.
And they have the brush out of it.
Yeah.
And they have the drops and you have the gizzard out of it.
Yeah. Oh,
Yes.
good. And you have all the other good stuff here.
Oh, yes.
All the other good stuff here, guys. All the annatto, busy, all kind of stuff. Not
I have star fruit. You see, at this level.
star fruit looks a big man.
And time dry, sir.
So you give them the fertilizer?
No,
So them so big.
God bless him.
These are huge star fruit. Okay.
Right.
And you have your old time display as old time Jamaican.
Right.
Old time Jamaican. I see a coal stove. The coal iron, self-heater iron. And then you have all of them old. It's like a museum you're creating around here, man.
Yes.
The Delsimina, grip, and all them chimida.
Yes, that is chimney.
And the old martyrs. Knock the martyr, make them see. Knock the martyr sticking on
Okay.
Knock the martyr sticking on the martyr, make them see.
I know, Martha,
Tell me about the Chinese yam. People don't know what is that. Tell us about it.
Well, the Chinese yam is something like a Irish potato, and you can wash it and just cook it with the skin and then strip it off. And you know, it make a nice punch. You boil it and blend it. Yes, when you jug and you chop the gin and stuff.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Miss Fisher, these products, are they yours or you buy and sell or what?
No, I don't buy and sell. Most of them is from my little farm.
And a little farm, this Miss Fisher, a big farm, man.
I have 10 acres. So.
10 acres? Oh man, it's a blessing. You have help though? You have help?
Sometimes, but you go them is try. But the coconut is from my farm, the cassava is from my farm, and the plantain is from my farm. The
Chinese
yam is from my farm, and the
what's that?
gooseberry.
Gooseberry, wow.
Yes, it's from my farm, and the star fruit is from my farm.
Oh, lovely. Congrats, man. You're doing well, man.
Yes.
You're doing well. I wish you.
They are not.
And they are not.
Yes.
I wish you well. All the best, man.
All the best, and thank you so much.
All right, Miss Fisher. What's the name of your farm? Oh, well, you don't have a name per se.
Yeah, I like my coconut farm. You know, if you look on the back, you see my coconut, Purple Heart Coconut Farm.
Oh, so you sell it. So if people want coconut oil, they can reach out to you.
Yes.
You want to share your number then?
I have to look at that number. My number is 437-7977.
Nice.
And I do bulk oil, I do cold press, and I do the natural coconut oil or your boil.
Awesome. Checking out this side JAS, guys. They have an interesting display here. Interesting display with all things Jamaican. from arrowroot to turmeric to peppermint to ugly fruit, coconut drops, guava, vinegar, carrot, onion, pumpkin, pepper, cocoa, sweet pepper, coconut, all kind of things, But sugar cane. But they have something that caught my attention. And Mr. What's your name again?
Fish Faulkner.
Mr. Faulkner.
Yeah.
What are these stuff here? These are some old time stuff.
Yes, this is a quart pan.
Quart pan.
Measurement pan.
Quart pan. How we use this for? We use this for again.
Measure cocoa seed, anything like grains or, you know.
What is this?
Cassette.
Cassette.
Yeah.
This is my generation.
Yeah.
All right, young people don't know this stuff.
No, they don't know
They
that.
don't know that stuff here. This is how we enjoy ourselves before CD, before DVD, CD, and all the digital stuff. Now, this is what we had, eh?
Yeah.
Our cassette player. You don't have the cassette.
No,
you don't have the player here.
No.
All right. Tell them about some of the other stuff.
This one is a bedside lamp.
Same old time stuff.
Yes. This one is a cooling jar.
Cooling jar.
Yes. Well, we call it cooling jar.
Monkey jar.
It have two names there.
Alright.
This is another
quart pan.
Yeah, this is another quart pint.
Pint can, okay.
Yeah. And this is an old time iron.
Old time iron. Yeah, man.
And this is a shed pan.
Shed pan.
All them man try to bush it.
Yes, man, I bush it along. Alright. Up. Yes, man. How man? Yeah, man. How to figure this? And this is a lantern.
Yes.
The old time lantern. You still use them? But you don't use them something again. You don't use them.
Old time use them in a phone from lantern.
Alright, the old time Jamaica and show the old lantern.
Yes.
Alright, cool. Miss Anderson, guys, doing very well. Java, very busy. The pudding keeper are busy, but want to hear about the wine that you have. Tell me about the wines that you have.
Okay, so we have sorrel, jackfruit, pineapple.
You make all of them?
Yeah. We have 7 different flavors, but today we only have 3 of them. 2 of them up here, so. The rest is by the SDC store.
SDC office?
Yeah.
All right.
The office is the booth out there.
You have a place that people can, if the person wants to buy some of your products, how they get in touch with you? Have they call you?
Yes.
No.
I get in touch with the SDC.
Okay.
Falmouth. SDC, yeah, Trelawny.
Oh, but you willing to give them a number?
Yeah, man.
Go ahead, man. Are they watching you now right now?
Yeah, my number is 876-331-2324. If you want to email me, it's claudetteanderson04@gmail.com.
Alright, Miss Anderson, big up yourself with all the lovely wines and the food.
And we have tasting. Sorry, not the tasting up here. But the tasting is out here.
The what?
The SDC.
What you have over there?
Tasting.
Oh, tasting. Alright. Yeah, man, we're gonna go over there. Over there. Guys, you have some I can't mean put in bad. What are you showing me now?
June plum.
Oh, June plum wine.
Yeah.
What you say? And what that now?
Pineapple.
Pineapple wine.
Yeah.
All original Jamaican products.
Original Jamaican and sorrel.
Original Jamaican.
We can't catch it from
Yeah, man, I see, man. It's all right. I can go there. There you go, guys. Miss Anderson, our wines. Lovely.
And also the vinegar.
The vinegar.
Guava cider.
You make all of that?
Guava cider, yeah.
Lovely. Pick up yourself, Miss Andy. So we're running into more life. Some interesting products. We have pimento oil. We have manjo. We have spices, sauces, herbs, and all of that. And these body wash and these are the for Mr. Erskine.
And I'm Charmaine.
All right. Tell me about for some of the most unique products you have here right now. I know we're familiar with some of them already. The vervine, the and the ramcoat dash along. You have them mixed up and stuff.
These are some of the unique ones that we have, which is the formulas.
All right, so tell us about those.
All right, this is a woman. Right? We call it the women's pack. And it's a collaboration of herbs that we put together for women. We have donkey weed, ramgoat dashalon, orny goat weed, vitex, and other herbs.
All right.
So the others is the other herbs that we have in here. So we combine them and put them together in a formula that we put in a tea bag. So we do the mixing for the clients, and then we do the proportion. So on the back it tells some of the things that it's good for and the portion that
and how
you
to
should
use
take.
it. All right, give me
This is a
quickly.
unique package.
Tell me quickly how people want to reach you guys. They want to buy some of your products. Are they seeing the products? How can they reach you?
Alright, they can contact us. We're on WhatsApp and we're on YouTube. And they can contact us through the number like 299-7121 807-0068.
All right.
That is an 876.
All Jamaican number.
All Jamaican.
All right, guys.
All these are Jamaican.
All Jamaican products. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All the best.
Same to you.
Yeah.
And remember, by using all these products,
Yeah.
you're actually supporting brand Jamaica.
Brand Jamaica. Every time, every time. We run into a familiar face here, guys. Miss Pat. Remember her, the New Jobs lady. How you doing, Miss Pat?
I'm good, I'm good.
All right, and she has some amazing. They still have the same good old amazing products. She have the honey. She have the facial soap. She have the lotions, moisturizers, more facial soap, and the honey looking bar. But she says she have something new. Tell us about what you have, Miss Pat.
Face moisturizer. My customers keep asking me for something to put on the face when they wash the soap, so I decided that I'm going to make a face moisturizer.
And what is the review? What is the feedback so far like?
I've been getting good feedback, you know, when they use the soap and they use the moisturizer, they say, well, my face is looking good, it clearing up all the call it the acne bumps and, you know, any insect bites, eczema.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is, the ingredients for this is
Yeah.
cocoa butter, coconut, aloe, propolis and essential oils.
You don't put the bees stuff in there this time?
Yeah man, propolis.
Oh, okay.
That's
Okay. Oh yes.
That's the antibiotic.
Remind the audience quickly how they can reach you to get any of these amazing products.
543-0092 or you can email me at patriciaparchment125@gmail.com.
Alright, Miss Pat, guys, you remember her from the Grange Hill, which video again? The
Grange Hill.
Grange Hill
Yes.
video, yeah, the Grange Hill Expo video with all her beautiful bees products. And yes, we did a bees video as well.
Yes, we did.
Link in the description for that as well. Alright, Miss Pat.
Big up, sir.
And the team in the back, everybody. The beautiful thing about these events, we get to see a wide cross section, a wide array of products and people. And I ran into another beautiful lady here. She has some interesting products. I'm pretty sure she's Rastafarian. You're Rastafarian, right?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, man. Empress Asils. And yeah, those are some of the products that she has in there. And the oils. And this is her little display here. All of these are soaps. All of these are soaps made in some interesting designs. These are in heart design and stuff. Tell my audience quickly. I'll give you a minute to tell them about some of the products that you have here.
Well, blessed afternoon, everyone. My name is Empress Asils. We have some natural soaps good for eczema, acne, psoriasis, rosacea, you name it, any skin problem, right? We take care of that. We have oils for the hair, for alopecia, for some of the women that were wearing too much wigs and losing them hairline. We have oils to bring back your hairline. We have oils for pain, oils for your skin, for moisturize your skin. We have vagina steam for women to steam the vagina. You know, we women know when it's that time.
Everything.
Yes, we have shea butter, lemongrass as a lotion. We have shampoos. We have frankincense and myrrh. We have perfume oils. Everything from bathing to lotion to wash your hair to sweet up.
Love it. All right, people want to reach you, how they can get in touch with you?
Well, I'm located in Blue Mountain on the Rastafarian School of Vision, right? And my number is 424-2712.
Excellent, 876 guys. So this is Blue Mountain, in the hills of Blue Mountain?
Yeah, no, the mountain.
Blue Mountain?
Yes.
You mean the same Blue Mountain?
Yes, we are 3,500 feet above sea level.
Wow.
So we live in the clouds.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah,
Awesome. All right, my friend. I'm in the food court area, guys, and I ran into this beautiful lady here, and she's selling the old Trenton.
Yes.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good.
All right.
Yes.
How is the sales of the Trenton going?
It's going fine. Everybody love it. Once you taste it, you won't be disappointed. You want it.
I hear that It's the one that always finish first. It's true?
That is true. That is true.
Finish every chicken?
Yes.
I wonder why.
The taste.
Is it, oh, the taste?
The taste is in it.
But everybody cook it, like, everybody cook
No, everybody don't cook it like me.
Pork have a different flavor.
Everybody do them thing different.
Okay.
I season my when I put it down, I put marinade, and then afterwards I cook it. Then I jerk.
Oh, you cook it before you jerk it?
Yes.
Okay. I was gonna ask you what makes your special, but I get it now.
Yeah, I cook it.
Okay.
And then I jerk it.
Okay. Where are you based? If people want to find more about
Faith Spend.
Faith Spend in what? St. Catherine?
In St. Anne.
St. Anne. Oh, on the roadside.
Yes.
So people can find it there.
Right at Faith Spend.
Who they should ask? So they want to go to old jerk pork.
Fatty.
Fatty.
Yes.
I know you that though.
No.
Oh.
That,
A fatty.
Yes.
Okay. You give them a number now if they want to talk to you.
386 55 31.
Can you say you do catering too?
Yes.
All the best.
All the best. Thank you.
Yeah. Now this apparently is a plant area, guys. All kind of plants, all kind of flowers. All kind of plant, all kind of flowers here. Well, here, guys, it's something a little bit different. I have Mr.
Orange.
Mario.
Orange.
Orange. He's gonna tell me a little about some of the animals they have there. So these are.
Well, you have basically 3 different species of parrots in here. You have the cockatiels, which are this one. You have the black mask lovebirds, which is this one. Those blackhead ones. You have the budgies. And they have the peach face lovebirds.
Alright, and these are chickens?
These are ringneck pheasants.
Okay.
The male and the female. Alright. Silver pheasants, female, male. Right? These are white doves, barbel doves. This is frillback pigeon. Is a turkey there.
Okay. Turkey.
Turkey, yeah. Rabbits right here.
Rabbit. All varieties.
All different varieties.
These are baby ones.
Guinea pigs right here.
Guinea pig?
Yeah. Over here we have the gala cockatoo.
What is that?
It's a gala cockatoo.
Okay.
Right here. We have the zebra dog. We have the Australian crested. We have the green wing. This is the African grey parrot. This is a brown pioneer. Sun canor. Quaker. Rosy Burks, diamond dogs. Down here we have quails, 2 different types of quail, button quail, bob white quail, and we have hamsters here.
Alright, but hold on man, you have something in your hand that the people are seeing.
Well, this
is scary.
This is Zilla, iguana.
Is that a Jamaican iguana?
No, this is a red iguana, not a Jamaican iguana.
Oh, no bite?
No bite, nothing at all, love cuddling.
Alright, you have not crocodile,
turtles. Yeah, we have turtles right here.
Baby turtles. Okay. Yeah. Good.
And we have fishes here. Different type of chickens. You get me? Different type of pigeon. We have 4 or 5 different species of pigeon right here.
I'm curious, this one here.
This is
no, this one here.
This one? This is the Jacobin or Capuchin. Right? Indian fantail. Top notch.
These are the regular pigeons that we know.
No, none of these are regular pigeons.
Oh.
Right?
And these are the parrots?
Yeah. We have a male Amazon here. We have Eclectus here. This is a female. We have a red lower Amazon. We have Nande, Canor, Amazon, yellow nape Amazon, and orange head Amazon.
And hold on man, you have some nice people on here. The geese.
Yeah, these are the African geese.
Okay, of course.
Right? And you know we have the peacocks right here, the white and the regular.
Hold on, you have a wasp here too, man. You have a wasp. I fly all over the place.
Yeah, my security.
Security guard.
We have Princess of Wales. Alright, very weird. We own the house of them in Jamaica. Right?
Oh, wonderful.
Right? This is the cockatoo, sulfur crested cockatoo. There's an next-pair cockatoo right there. Different species as well.
Okay.
Right? This is I forgot the name.
Right? But that's good. You've been doing exceptionally well. Give me my like to me, guys. Doing exceptionally well.
The scarlet macaw.
I remember them from the zoo.
These are ringnecks. Indian ringnecks. And here we have the blue and gold macaw.
Alright, and then the snake. I want to see the snake, man.
Alright. So, these are the big man and the owner of this.
Okay.
All of this.
Yes, nice.
So,
big up. This is the man who is responsible for all of this amazing stuff here, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. And actually, I'm going to ask him while I have him. persons want to learn more about the birds, want to buy birds, want to do tours, whatever you do, how can they reach you?
You can reach me both by cell phone or I'm located in Trelawny. Yeah. But I can give you a card.
Yeah, give me the number, man.
Yes. You can reach me at 402-5955.
Alright, the one is what?
3932.
Alright, well, it's in the description as well, guys, so don't worry, we'll get it right. Good work, man, all the best. The man with the
so that's a ball python.
A dangerous something this?
No man. It's not a dangerous. Nice pet, very loving.
Alright,
it's a constrictor. It's a constrictor. That means you won't find him biting you like that unless it squeeze or provoke.
Okay. Alright, let me just touch him, Alright, me touch him. Me touch him, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Alright, good, excellent work. What's your name again?
Orion.
Alright, big up Orion. Oh, big up Mr. Orion. Alright, my bad. Good, yeah. I'm at an interesting booth here, guys. All greenery. Stewarts, what's the name of it again?
Stewarts Vegetable Nursery.
Stewarts Vegetable Nursery. Out of Montego Bay. Alright, so tell us a little bit. Tell us about some of the products that you have here, sir.
Alright, we have a wide variety of vegetable seedlings. We have sweet pepper, hot pepper, tomato, we have lettuce.
Go just point and show me some of this stuff. So this is
Scotch bonnet, hot pepper, sweet pepper.
Over there?
Yes. We have mature Scotch bonnet over there.
That's the tall one there.
Started from there. We have cucumber here. We have tomato here in a pot bearing. Many tomatoes on it. We have tomatoes over there again in the tray, seedlings. We have pop chard over there.
Pop chard, yes.
And we have lettuce.
Okay, cool. And some stuff under the bottom here.
Right.
Same thing.
Yeah, basically the same
thing. Okay. And what are you hoping to achieve with your display here?
Right. What I want to achieve is to encourage, householders in general to do backyard gardening. Backyard side.
All of these look like it could be backyard stuff.
And I want to let them know that space is not a problem. Space should not be an issue.
Really?
Because if you look at the tomato here, this is one tomato seedling. And we have almost 20 fruits on this one plant.
And this can be anywhere in the backyard?
Anywhere in the backyard.
You use special fertilizer or something?
Yeah, we use poultry manure, that's chicken manure, and we use cow manure.
Okay.
Mix it with the soil, and that adds the nutrient.
So what's the name of the company again?
Stewarts Vegetable Nursery.
So where can people find you if they want to learn more about it?
In Montego Bay, they can contact me at 421 1539.
Okay, alright. And if you want to learn how to do backyard farming and farm your food,
yeah, man, I don't offer only sales, I do sales and service.
Alright, lovely. Alright, Mr. Stewart.
Thank you.
That's it, guys. The Hague Agricultural Show. Man, what jumped out at you? What stood out? Come, tell me, man. Share it in the comments right now. There's another video I'm going to invite you. I did a tour, I did a feature on the Kanuka show as well. I need you to see that. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.